This is our magical dinosaur egg. Guys, it is happening! Whoa! It looks like the dinosaur egg has actually worked. Whoa, did you hear that? I just heard something. There it is again. I can hear, whoa! Whoa, look at that! Guys, it's the Allosaurus! Whoa, I'm out of here! And this dinosaur is known as the Carnotaurus. I never thought when we were going to go back in time I'd be riding one. This is awesome! It's a small little raptor. This is so cool. Because that would be the... Whoa! Look at that! Whoa! He's...